where'd the cookies and the milk go and the carrot?
And there's some milk we can drink for us too.
Oh.
But the carrot is all gone.
Where'd the carrot go?
The reindeer ate it up.
Okay, and do you have a stocking? What's in there?
Treats.
Treats? Do you want to open it up and see what's in there?
I can eat one now.
Oh, I don't know about eating candy in the morning, but you can see what's in your stocking.
A Santa lollipop.
A Santa lollipop? Wow, what else is in your stocking?
Santa Claus bubbles.
Oh boy.
I want some.
Is that all that's in your stocking?
Parker?
Huh?
Is that all that's in your stocking?
No.
What else is in there?
A movie. This movie is called Pirate News.
You got Pirate News?
Yeah, Santa brought me Pirate
I was trying to
News.
find it all day yesterday.
And Santa brought me Collins and a car inside.
Wow, what's that?
I heard the reindeer, did you?
You heard the reindeer?
Yeah, did you, Rainbow?
No, I think I was sleeping when the reindeer came. What did
And
it sound
I
like?
had my eyes open and I put my earbuds so I don't see and I heard. Oh, that must be the reindeer.
The reindeer on the roof, Parker?
What did it sound like when you heard the reindeer?
It sounded like plop.
Plop, plop, plop? I see.
Pop, 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 pop.
I think I have one more. Yeah. A snow globe. Can you take this off, Papa?
Yeah, sure.
Why push this one?
Gosh. Whoa, that is cool.
I made. Can you give me that?
There you go.
No swearing on the Christmas video, Grandpa.
Huh?
No swearing on the Christmas. Oh boy. Is that it? Is there more in your stocking or is it empty now?
One more thing.
Parker, who drank all the milk and ate the cookies?
Santa's saying some 11 milk and Santa made a cookie for us.
I see. And what happened to the carrot?
And then waiting it all up.
Okay.